Welcome to a closer look at the Medline K1 basic vinyl wheelchair, featuring full-length arms and elevating leg rests. This wheelchair offers an 18-inch wide seat designed for comfort and support during extended use. Its durable frame comes in a stylish Hammertone finish that ensures long-lasting strength and reliability. The upholstery is made from comfortable materials to keep you at ease throughout the day. Equipped with smooth-rolling solid tires, this chair provides easy maneuverability on various surfaces. The dual-axle hemi-height design allows precise adjustment for personalized comfort and accessibility. Supporting up to 300 pounds, this wheelchair combines durability and functionality for everyday use. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.